A warm welcome, my fellow friends. Today, I want to discuss with you something that's truly out of this world. Making it to space, capturing those stunning orbital views of our entire solar system, and how exactly that works. Let's think about it. We sent rovers to Mars, we probed to the edges of the solar system. And on our course, humans to the moon and into Earth's orbit, capturing those majestic dances of planets around the sun. That's the ball game. It's a different ball game because not only do we have to have raw power, that's the obvious point, but there is entirely a repositioned, precise, and very patient engineering that goes behind this clever routine. With that first hurdle behind us, of course, escaping Earth's gravity is an immense and energetic process generated by powerful multi-stage rockets. Each stage burns fuel to gain altitude and speed, then detaches to lighten the load for the entire rest of the time. It's like carefully choreographed, and it's a relay and it's a race. So we push the spacecraft further and further away from home. To put it simply, it's not enough to just capture those orbital panoramas. To get those to be sweeping views and include the entire solar system, we need to send spacecraft on long, carefully planned journeys. And once we calculate the thinking process that's going to let us have less direct flight, we'll have more a series of precisely aimed billiard shots across the cosmic table. Techniques for use of gravity assistance are somewhat like a slingshot. Just imagine a spacecraft approaching a planet. Instead of fighting the planet's gravity head on, using it to our advantage. As the spacecraft flies by the planet, gravitational pull bends its trajectory and crucially increases its speed. It's like the getting of a free boost. You know, we can chain these gravity assists together. We can use multiple planets like stepping stones, and we can reach the outer solar system and gain necessary vantage points. These long situations are required incredibly robust within the spacecraft, with withstanding extreme temperatures. Right, the long duration of radiation and the mission of dealing with the harsh vacuum that we have for decades. So it's nothing new. It's an equipment that's become more sophisticated. It's a communication system that sends data back. And those breathtaking images that we get now, those are across billions of miles. And they need their own power source, often relying on solar panels closer to the sun, and have generous generators. Capturing those systems I was trying to educate you on in their entirety, these systems, they orbit the view so that it's a more composite effort. And a single spacecraft can actually be everywhere at once. One spacecraft. We piece together data and images from multiple missions. And it's very easy to strategically position at different points in the solar system over a long period It's like a giant cosmic puzzle, with each probe continuing a vital space within the entire panorama. So this calls to mind the national pursuit that is space exploration, the resonating deep culture that is the history of astronomical observation and innovation. From ancient times, we have ancient stars that have been charted. In modern times, we advanced to rocketry and more traditions like space conducive. And we have a spirit to it of exploration that is deeply rooted and deeply a deep understanding of the cosmos. That is now part of our heritage. So how do we achieve these orbital captures of the entire solar system? It's a testament to human curiosity. It's our restlessness, our relentlessness, our exploration of the unknown. It's a collaborative effort where involving scientists and involving engineers almost gathers ambition into a partially generic form that can become reality over time with everyone's participation. So the next time you see those awe-inspiring images, those are of our solar system. And just keep in mind, it's an incredible journey. It's got precise calculation throughout it as necessary. And the sheer dedication, the sheer imaginative possibility within the mind of the people who are the story of our history and human ambition of reaching the stars is a story that continues